Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242 Amazon Live. Today I will be preparing some Philly cheesesteak subs. So let's get right into it because everyone is hungry. And these are going to be quick and easy. So today I will be using starting off with some spray in this cute little spray bottle. Nice and handy. This is some grapeseed oil I put in here. So grapeseed oil. So we're going to start off I don't need it for the steak, just for the onions. A few squirts of this. And just a little bit of this in there. That. Next is while that's heating up, using my royal cutting board. The link for this is there. And cast iron skillet. This is a deal. You get 3 for the price of 1. You get a 10-inch, 8-inch, and a 4-inch. Okay, and it is 31% off. So check it out. And I would also be using my Curtis Stone skillet. Everything will be linked there for you. So let's get on with it. Let's get the steaks. These wouldn't take long because these are nice and thin. Start it in the pan. Okay. This is what they're looking like. Philly cheesesteaks. 1. I guess I can get 2 in here. I'm just making 3. There's only 3 of us in here today. Now, some points throughout this video, I'm going to have to turn on the fan, just so that the kitchen would not be smoky. So you wouldn't hear me talking. Okay? So we're going to work it like that. So while they're going, I'll just toast the bread in this thing here. Let me rinse my hand first. Get my hands rinsing. Next, we're going to use the fiberware knife, and get these sub rolls cut open so I can give them just a little toasting right in this pan. 1. I hope everyone is doing well today. Thank you very much for joining me here on my Amazon Live. So I guess I can fit 3 in here. Let me see. I don't want to crowd the pan too much. One left over. So I'll be using some mayo, some Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm going to do some purple onion that I've already chopped up. So I'll use this with a little brown sugar just to add flavor to it. Okay? Just like that. Not enough to disturb them. Don't forget to check out the deals, the skillets, This is 3 for the price of 1. The skillets, these are 31% off. They are already low prices. And with these cast iron skillets, you can cook just about anything in them. Anything. So get yourself a set today. 3 for the price of 1. Cast iron skillet. And then I have the cutting board. And of course my Curtis Stone cookware. So be sure to check them out. These are Melda 242 approved. I will not tell you about something that I'm not using or it's not, good. So I can attest to that. These are excellent products. With the cast iron skillet you can use, and also the Curtis Stone skillet, you can use these in the oven as well. So it's up to you. Want to make your life a little easier? You won't have all those dishes to be washing. Get yourself one today. Now I guess I can add the other one right in here. We are having Philly cheesesteak subs today. Alright. Get rid of this. Okay, so these steak planks are thin, so they won't take long to cook. My hand rinsed. Okay, well, just have to burn that one. Burn them. These are going to be so delicious. You should give it a try. Philly cheesesteaks. These are my daughter's favorite. Don't forget to get your skillet. The skillets are 31% off today. 3 for the price of 1. Up to you. 3 for the price of 1. You can't beat that with a stick. How does that sound? Get your skillets. Remove these. Okay, they're ready. And while they're hot, I'm just going to add some cream cheese. Add a little bit of this, and I'll also add a little bit of it to the steaks. This is goodness. Now I'm not gonna add too much of the seasoning because I don't want it too salt. I try to watch my sodium intake. And whatever seasoning, salt is in that sodium, that'll be enough for us. But you feel free to go ahead and add yours in. Okay? Adding some more oil for the onions. Just a little bit. This is purple onion. If you don't have the purple onion, just use what you have. Okay, we have 9 persons watching. Alright, smelling good. I guess I can add a little bit of garlic powder. The garlic powder. Watch that. Just a little bit. I'm doing all of that. 18 hearts, thank you. And 9 persons watching. God bless you. I don't know about you, but I love my Philly cheesesteak with a little mayo. Oh yes. I need to turn this off. It's getting too hot. So I'm going to turn on the fan. So I won't be doing any talking, okay? Because it's noisy. Just a little sweetness. So if you don't want it in yours, you can leave this piece on here. Kind of nice. Now I continue with the whoa. Putting cream on this goodness. Philadelphia cream cheese. Oh, you know this is going to be good. I like a little bit of mayo on mine. Up to you. Just a little bit. Of this, put in the steaks, make it nice and cheesy. Philadelphia cream cheese. my goodness. I wish you were here to smell this. Look at that. Ah, look at that. Whew. Whew. This is Philly cheesesteak, homemade. Don't forget to get your cast iron skillet today. Cast iron skillet, your non-stick Curtis stone pot, cookware pot set that has everything in it. That has the steamer, the veggie pot, everything is in that set. Everything. Oh, the first bite is for you. Go ahead. Which side you want it, from this side or that side? Take a bite. Woohoo! Last one. Philly cheesesteaks calls for a lot of meat in the between the buns. So don't skimp out on the meat. Put it in. Stuff it on in. So your family will thank you later. I used every bit of it. These are going to be so delicious. Shine it down so they can see the goodness. Let them see that. Quick and easy. Chili cheesesteaks. Hold it up. Thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. Thank you for being here today. God bless you. Check out the skillets, the cutting boards, the knife, whatever I have there, you check them out. Don't forget. God bless you, and I will see you. We'll be doing a lot of this here. Goodness in the next one. Thank you.